What is up guys, you're watching Ashvins Tech, and yeah, in this video we're going to take a look on the Pixel OS based on Android Pie for a Redmi Note 3. Yeah, Redmi Note 3. So this is the Pixel OS which has been ported to the Redmi Note 3, and as you guys can see, this is the whole thing. And let me open the apps first of all. So this is the phone app, and sometimes it take a while to load. This is a messaging app, and this is the Play Store, which is no need, the Chrome app, and the camera app, which sometimes does not open. So this is a bug of this thing, this ROM. As you guys can see, it is not opening. And now these are all the apps which you will get in this ROM. I have installed nothing on this. I just booted it up for the review purpose. And yeah, this is the status bar, and this is the quick toggle panels of this ROM. So let's just go to settings, and as you guys can see, this is the Android Pie, and it comes with digital well-being. So it shows you the time you are using each individual app. As you guys can see, I just opened these apps. These are let's go back and let's just go to system and about Redmi Note 3. So as you guys can see, the Android version is 9, Android Pie. This is the Android Pie. Let's just go back, and as you guys can see, the build number, it is written Pixel Experience 201. And the main thing about this ROM is this ROM just comes with the software updates, like OT updates. So yeah, this ROM does have some OT updates. As you guys can see in the system updates section, there is an OT update pushed out, which is of 885 MB. I didn't download it just till now, but yeah, this ROM does get the OT updates. When the developers push out updates, you will get some updates. So that's a good thing. And this ROM does have these gestures of thing, jump to camera and swipe up to home button and all that stuff. And yeah, this ROM doesn't come with the buttons, actual buttons, which is this ROM still have the hardware buttons. Yeah guys, this ROM does come with the latest PPR2 update of Android version 9. So as you guys can see, this is the PPR2. Yeah, the Android version 9 does not have the types like 9.0.1 or 9.1. It is just have the two version of the build, which is one is PPR1 and PPR2. So the PPR2 is latest one. So this ROM does come with that, and there are no other bugs, but the battery life is somehow poor in this ROM. I can say this this is the should last until about 230. As you guys can see, it is 37%, and it is right now 144, and it is saying it should last until 230. So the battery is somehow poor. So that's all, and the fingerprint scanner is working fine. So let's go into fingerprints, and as you guys can see, the two fingerprints setup. So let me just lock this phone, and I will unlock it with my fingerprint. As you guys can see, the phone is unlocked, so the fingerprint scanner is working fine, and the camera is not working. That's a bug, but you can install any other camera app like Pixel, Google Camera, or something like that, and it will work. And this thing is working fine, but it does not have the navigation bar, but you can still do it with the hardware buttons, which is given in the Redmi Note 3, as you guys can see. And the split screen is also working, but it is not showing the option right now. And yeah, that's all for this ROM. And now let's see how to install this ROM. So for installing this ROM, you just have to hold the power button, and just first of all, just to power off your device. So you guys can see I'm powering off the device. So after powering off the device, you just have to hold the volume up button and the power button for some time. So now it will boot into the TWRP recovery. So just wait for that. And as you guys can see, that this is the team and recovery project. So first of all, you just have to wipe, but I would recommend you guys that you should back up first. If anything happens to your phone, you can just take a restore of that. So now the first step is to go to wipe, go to advanced wipe, and just select Dalvik cache, Dalvik/alt cache, system data, and the cache, and just select to wipe, swipe to wipe, and then just go to install. Just locate your ROM, here's the ROM, and just click on it, and then just swipe to confirm flash. And after doing that, just go to reboot and just reboot your system. And now this ROM will reboot. Yeah, congrats guys, you just installed and latest Android Pie with the latest build in your Redmi Note 3. So that's all for this video guys. Hope you like this video, and if you really did, then thumbs up, subscribe my channel, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.
Don't understand where it came from, but you're back in with the passion. I'm awake with the flame in a hailstorm.